President Biden has signed an executive order to review semiconductors and the supply chain thereof. So on Wednesday, February 24th, this executive order was designed to address global semiconductor shortages, which kinda a big deal right now. I mean, you can't even like make cars at the moment.
I was gonna say, and has been a major topic of conversation on the LTT channel. Like this is not foreign to you or our audience.
Absolutely not. So it's affecting a lot more than just Ryzen 5000 and NVIDIA RTX 30 series and AMD's Radeon 6000 series. This is affecting phones, cars, large capacity batteries, basically anything that has semiconductors, anything that has a processor in it is at risk of being affected by these shortages. So the shortage stems from a number of things. So there's spikes in demand due to work from home. I mean, have you noticed how impossible it is to buy a webcam? Slowdowns in production caused by the pandemic, slowdowns in shipping, just backlogs in shipping. I mean, we've even encountered this with like mouse pads, and they're only peripherally connected to semiconductor products. Get it?
I like it. That actually did take me a sec, but I like it. That was good.
It stems from outsourcing heavily to TSMC. So TSMC is basically just got a license to print money. The more dies they can shove off the line, the more money they can has. And of course,
and more design companies are shutting down fabs.
Exactly. And
like it's consolidating. Yeah, sorry, keep going.
And of course, Trump's trade war and policies with China have made it harder to work with Chinese chip manufacturers. So the Semiconductor Industry of America signed an open letter urging President Biden to act. Some major inclusions include Dr. Lisa Su from AMD, Tim Teeter from NVIDIA, Dr. Thomas Caulfield from Global Foundries, and the aim is to expand both domestic and international production. So the problem with this is that I don't know how much you guys know about building like a CPU or GPU fab, but for this executive order, assuming that, you know, everyone gets behind it and it's go, go, go time, and they actually put a shovel in the soil like tomorrow. From that time until it actually produces like working silicon is
You're
like
not gonna be buying 3080s anymore.
4 to 5 years. Like you might be getting a 5080 RTX 5080, or who knows, maybe it'll be like ZTX by that point. They'll have changed the branding again. It'll be Z raster lighting shading, whatever they come up with.
How would you feel if it was an LTX 38 or 5080?
An LTX, I'll allow it.
Okay.
I'll allow it as long as we can give them.
As long as you can give them away at LTX?
Yeah, exactly. Then I'm down. There's no way NVIDIA would do that. I think NVIDIA and I are
not the greatest of friends right now.
I think we're a little frosty at the moment. You know what I mean?
I think so.
We all went to Wendy's, okay? We got a frozen treat, and we're waiting for. We drank them too fast. Our chests got a little cold. We're waiting for the hearts to thaw. You know, we gotta kiss and make up.